He threw three free throws. He threw three free throws. He threw three free throws. Is it not funny? My dear students, parents, teachers, and all the well-wishers, welcome back to another very interesting video, but it helps to improve our pronunciation, our fluency in English speaking, English communication. It's very important. As I always insist, tongue twisters, not easy. You have to twist your tongue. You have to move it forward. You have to move it backward. Otherwise, we can't pronounce properly. As I said, he threw three free throws. How difficult to go with it. But when you practice it, we definitely speak fluently. Good pronunciation also is possible. He threw, if you look at th, fa, these are all the phonetic sounds. 44 sounds in English, phonetic sounds. And these, when you speak, as we say sa, sha, tha, fa, these are all the sounds. One more, very popular, red lorry, yellow lorry. Can we say it fast? Practice quickly? I'll try. Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry. When you go a little faster, definitely we go wrong. And when you practice with red lorry, yellow lorry, faster, little, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, little more faster, that gives us a clarity in our pronunciation and also fluency. Tongue twisters, great help for improving ourselves. This same red lorry, yellow lorry, we have it in our regional mother tongue Telugu language also. Is it not? And we might have practiced couple of times. Yerra lorry, pacha lorry. Is it not? You try to do that. Yerra lorry, pacha lorry, and it goes here and there out. So in any language, these tongue twisters are very, very important for all of us. Same thing, another one. Stupid superstition. Stupid superstition, stupid. You will miss stir. So it comes. Stupid superstition. Practice. These are all wonderful tongue twisters. And it helps us learn our language better. Because sir sound, many of us when we speak, we feel very difficult to utter some sounds in English language. Especially the popular sounds of sir, sha, fa, tha, pa, ba, and some of the nasal sounds. Ing, we say sing, sing. There is no ng, that is called nasalized sounds. So these are all very important. Let us see some of the popular and very interesting tongue twisters, and let us practice those tongue twisters, which definitely improve our communication, our fluency, our pronunciation. Interesting one. Good, better, best. Never let it rest till your good is better and your better is best. How beautiful this tongue twister. I said it a little slow. If I go faster, definitely we go wrong. But this going faster will make us learn better. Good, better, best. Practice this. Another to go. 6 little kittens lost their mittens. It's a pity. They are very pretty. Kittens, mittens, pity, pretty. These are also tongue twisters. The cook took a good look at a cookery book. Favorite one for all the cooks and mothers. The cook took a good look at a cookery book. Little faster. All the teenagers very favorite and popular one. I have got a date at 7:45. Don't be late, be at the gate. It's so nice, all 8, gate, 7:45, date. These are all the tongue twisters, which makes us feel happy and at the same time helps us to learn the pronunciation in a better way. If two witches would watch two watches, which witch would watch which watch? Very interesting, right? Two witches, two watches. Which witch would watch which watch? Cha sound, va sound. I insist all my students and all the St. John's community, parents and teachers, is there anyone who don't like to speak fluently with correct pronunciation? We all like. When we go wrong with the pronunciation, when we go wrong in the fluency, we feel little low, we feel little disappointed. As these days are, we call them the days of communication. We may have many talents. You may secure or good ranks, good medals, maybe in the written examinations. But I tell you, if we fail to communicate, if we fail in our pronunciation, as English is a language of communication, is a language of administration, is a language of industry, is a language of commerce, is a language of politics and civics, is an international language and a bridge language, language of medicine, language of law. Can we keep this English aside? No. We need to pronounce correctly all the terminology of English. We need to have good fluency when we open our mouth and try to speak. So the communication is very important, and this era is called the era of communication. And you need to improve your pronunciation and fluency. How? Practice. The great way to improve our pronunciation and fluency is only practice, practice, practice. What? Practice tongue twisters. So some of the tongue twisters today I tried to communicate. Maybe I slow down a bit because I may also need good practice. I may be not good at all the tongue twisters. Still, I tried my best. And you will not get it overnight. Practice makes us perfect. And the one who practice always win. It's not the one who is talented, but the one who practice wins. So I encourage all of you, practice these tongue twisters. It helps us. Moreover, it gives us a lot of fun. We enjoy doing these tongue twisters. Take care. God bless you all.